So this is all breakfast taco stuff, but before we get started with that, I'm gonna go ahead and make the tortillas. Bacon. So I'm roasting off the bacon so I can get the fat, utilize the fat for my flour tortillas. All right, I'm gonna do some bacon fat. I should also probably take this out. Okay, the dough should come together like this. Just let this rest for around 10 minutes. Balls. I'm gonna try something I learned at the Indian restaurant. Hold there, back, hold there, back. I've never tried this with a tortilla. We'll see how it goes. Oh, got it. I've got the pan at around 430 Fahrenheit. It's bubbling up nicely. That's what we want. Tortillas ready. Jalapeno, onion, potato. I like to cook the whites a little more first, and then kind of keep the yolks intact. I like mine to have some whites in them. I don't know why. Okay, I kid you not, this is the way the northern Mexicans do it. I'm from the border. American cheese, always the best way. This is a breakfast taco. That's what we call them where I'm from. Breakfast tacos. Mmm.